Hello friends, in today's video we will learn how to convert from BTC to USDT inside the Binance exchange. So first of all, open the Binance exchange. After that you will see an interface like this. So what do you need to do first? You have to click on more here. As soon as you click on more, an interface like this will appear in front of you. Here you have to search for convert or convert. So I will search for convert here. So you can see here that Canva has appeared. You need to click on it. After clicking on it, you will need to click here. Here, after clicking, you will have to charge BTC. As soon as you charge BTC, scroll down a bit and you will find BTC here. Then you have to click on it. After that, click here and select USDT. So I click on it and charge USDT. Then you can see that when I charge to USDT, it appears here. So I click on it. After that, you have to enter the amount. How much BTC you want to convert to USDT. So here I enter the amount. For example, I give 1 BTC and then you can see, you will be able to see it here. How much USDT will you receive from this BTC amount, okay? After that, you will have to click on trade here. As soon as you click on trade, your BTC will successfully become USDT. So in this way, you can convert BTC to USDT inside the Binance exchange.